In this film, we take a short journey through weather extremes and our technological response to them. We can't change the weather, but we can adapt. We are working on a water-resilient future. Climate change is becoming a major problem for all of us. Drought is causing our vegetation to die. The devastation of our planet is spreading. The conditions are becoming increasingly unfriendly to life. Our most important resource, our water, is becoming scarcer. Rivers and lakes are drying up. The evaporation of water means far more than the loss of precious drinking water. Huge cyclones develop, bringing with them vast quantities of water. They lead to destruction and severe flooding in our completely sealed cities. The storm fronts are also getting bigger and more energetic. What's more, they are barely moving forward. They can produce hail in large quantities and dimensions. They lead also to heavy rain that hardly moves and rains fully locally. These heavy rainfall events lead to flooding of roads. They flood entire districts. However, the cause is not just the weather, but also the way we build our cities. Unfortunately, large areas are completely sealed. Effective solutions are therefore required. Jumbo block is the basis for great protection. The system enables huge rainwater retention capacities under roads, squares, and buildings. And these measures can also be implemented retrospectively without any problems. Let us now immerse ourselves in a realistic architectural model and discover the advantages of the jumbo block system. We are talking about flood protection through voluminous rainwater retention under roads. The planning area is 3,575 square meters in size and has 2 buildings of each 324 square meters of building floor space. 3 double-lane carriageways run between the houses and along the plots. The jumbo block system was installed under the road surface, in the area between the houses and in the rear area with a width of 10 meters and in the front area with a width of 5 meters. The system is closed by locking plates, which we have now removed from the side. The advantage of the closing plates is obvious. We close the road surface and come to the front part of the planning area. If an extension is required, this is easily possible with our system. In the front section, the road surface has been removed and one lane remains open to traffic. To widen, the area next to the existing lane is simply removed. The stability of the remaining lane is not jeopardized as it is located on the jumbo blocks. Once the area has been cleared, the block walls that have already been installed are cleaned and like the floor prepared for the connection of a new row of blocks. The head plates are now also removed for visualization. The first extension blocks are erected. With a second set of blocks, the system is extended to an additional 55 meters in length and 5 meters in width. The road is being rebuilt. Our system now consists of 48 jumbo block standard, 116 jumbo block XL, 82 heavy-duty panels and a waterproofing system. The capacity of the system is 3,870,000 liters of rainwater, in a simple design on an area of 55 by 65 meters. Without additional surface sealing, as we only built our system under the road. Closed with its panels, it is once again a closed retention area. To illustrate this, let's fill our system to 50% of our system capacity after a heavy rainfall event. 50% rainwater. That is equivalent to 1,935,000 liters of water. It is raining and our planning area with its streets and footpaths remains dry. Without our jumbo block system, the area would have flooded by over half a meter, with a flood depth of 520 millimeters. Neither house remained dry. Let us fill the system completely with water. The planning area would reach a flood height of over 1 meter without our jumbo block modules. This would cause severe damage to the property and building fabric. The urban infrastructure would also be affected, not to mention the environmental damage caused by mixed water and any chemical substances. If the requirements for the retention space increase, this is no problem for a jumbo block system. As shown a few minutes ago, the systems can be easily extended. The modular design enables quick installation and excellent superstructure options. The system is extremely flexible in terms of size and scores highly in terms of stability and safety. Our products are based on natural materials and largely contain no plastics. Our systems are primarily sealed with geobuilding materials. One final note at the end: the jumbo block system is more than just rainwater retention. It is a chance to defy the extremes of weather. Our unique technology transforms multifunctional surfaces into huge retention basins that effectively absorb flooding. At the same time, we utilize rainwater intelligently and cleanly to combat water scarcity through water storage. At the same time, we utilize rainwater intelligently and cleanly to combat water scarcity through water storage. Water level sensors enable jumbo block systems to monitor the current water level in real time. This information can be used to automatically make decisions such as when stored water should be withdrawn to combat drought, when it might be necessary to release water from the system, or what measures need to be taken to prevent flooding. Thank you very much for your attention and your interest in our pioneering solution. Let's create sustainable cities and shape a safe future.